I was driving home from workout and noticed that near my house, another storage unit is going up. If you look around your neighborhood, I suspect, like me, you'll find that there are many storage units all over the place. They keep going up. One of my colleagues who's in business said they're cash cows because the majority of people who put things in them end up leaving them there, and then they get sold and the owner makes a lot of money. I don't know if that's true or not, but one thing I do know for sure, most of those storage units are full of clutter. Well, you know that I say clutter is postponed decisions, and storage units become a place to put those postponed decisions. And the issue is becoming even more crucial now because my generation saved things for our children and our grandchildren who really want nothing to do with it. So that leaves us with really a clutter crisis. And I want to address that today. I don't have an answer for it because it's much too big a problem for one answer. But I do have some ideas that came out of an experience I had recently. There's a nonprofit organization near us called Crossing All Borders. And it's a huge warehouse place that takes in anything that people will donate. And then whenever possible, they take those things and ship them overseas to schools and hospitals as a way of spreading the gospel to the world. And whatever they can't ship, they sell, and then the money made from that goes to the cost of shipping. My husband and I were over there volunteering a few months ago, and one of the things we saw were red neckties, whole boxes of red neckties. And the owner said, yes, when those were donated to us, we couldn't imagine what we would do with them. They were brand new, but what could you do with them? Well, they have discovered they are wonderful tourniquets. And so they have been going into the medical packets that are going to Ukraine. That story tells a truth about clutter. Your clutter can become someone else's blessing. So I encourage you to look around your environment, wherever that is, your office, your home, your garage, and look at the things there that you're really not using and don't need. And then make an effort to find 2 or 3 agencies in your area that use that. There are available, and I'd have more than one, because if you just have one and you've got something you're ready to donate and they're not open, then you won't get it there. So have 2 or 3 that you can support. And always in every floor of your house have a box that says donate. And when you put on that blouse, and even though your mother gave it to you and it's beautiful, it just doesn't really suit you, put it in that giveaway box. Or when you're in the kitchen, in the junk drawer or the utensil drawer, and you find something you're not using, put it in there. And then when it's full, donate it. Because you never know when your clutter can be someone else's blessing.